Willy's been unsuccessful in his driver's test a couple of times. So today in driving lesson number 1, we're assessing his abilities and skills and those that need to be strengthened and improved for the purposes of him passing a driver's test and getting his driver's license. Stick around. We'll be right back with that information. So what was some of the feedback that they gave you?
For my last test?
Yeah.
My last test, the problem I had, I was in Kamloops, was going over on those double turns where I couldn't see out in the one-ways.
Yep.
I went over on a few one-ways, and then at one of the red lights there, I just totally got comfortable, and instead of coming to a full stop, it was just some social-ass driving, and then crept through real slow. And yeah. So I didn't come to a stop at a red light, and I went over on some of the one-ways. Is there anything else on there?
So was it just nerves then?
Oh, I was nervous as all hell.
Yeah.
And it was no one's fault. The driving instructor was a really, really nice guy.
Okay, get up to speed. 90, let's go 90. Stay on the ramp, stay on the ramp. Focus on your speed, get your speed up. There you go, now find your spot. Nice. So one of the things when you go around the curves like this, it's all of the kind of physics and all those kinds of things want to push you to the bottom of the curve. You want to stay to the top. So if you're going around to the left, you want to stay up to the right. If you're going around on the right, you want to stay up to the left.
Okay.
That'll help you get through the curve and have the vehicle stay centered for you.
Like, you mean if I'm like turning this way, stay on the tight side of the turn?
Stay on the biggest side. So
the biggest side.
So if you're going left, you're going to stay right.
Yeah, okay.
And if you're going right, then you're going to stay left.
I see that.
So you just got 10 points. So when you're at that sign, when you hit that sign, you need to be doing 50.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Now, make sure you stop. Did you see that light flash?
No.
As soon as that light comes on, it's going to go yellow.
Oh.
This traffic light's going to go yellow. You're not going to make it. So remember, for the purposes of your driver's test, yellow and red lights are the same color.
Yeah.
They both mean stop. Never really sure what other traffic's going to do.
No. Don't know if it's going to come in or not.
Somebody tried to take me out on a left turn on the weekend in Winfield.
Oh, really?
Light was turning yellow, and I thought, okay, they're going to stop. They didn't stop.
Oh, shit.
And I aborted.
Really?
Yeah, I hammered the brakes on because they came through the intersection.
Oh, shit. A coworker just got in a car crash. I didn't hear much about it. I just had a meeting today and said, Miss O'Donnell won't be teaching for a while. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Yeah, that was just today.
That's unfortunate.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time. Because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life. And without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
When stuff like that happens, you just take your foot off the throttle, just put your foot over the brake. You don't have to touch the brake, just put your foot over top of it.
Okay, just be ready. Hey.
Yeah, just be ready, just in case. Most of the time it's going to be okay.
Yeah.
Like that. You didn't have to touch the brake, you just put your foot over the brake.
Yeah.
Because your following distance is really good, so you have a good buffer here.
Yeah.
So right here, just scan the intersection and look that way again, because if you get T-boned, if somebody runs the light, they're going to run it over there, right?
Oh, yeah.
So it's scan and then back to the left again. Yeah, make sure you got a head movement too, because you're looking for that head movement.
Okay.
Crosswalk, nobody in the crosswalk, and you can talk through this too, right?
Yeah. So. Okay.
Intersection, car is good. Nobody in the crosswalk.
Yeah.
Roundabout, pedestrian's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Go straight through. Cyclist is good. Don't like them when they ride on the sidewalk. They're too unpredictable.
Yeah.
Crosswalk's good. Red light. Pedestrians are good.
Yeah.
This is the stuff the examiner's looking for. They're looking to see if you are able to pick out and recognize the potential hazards on the road. So the pedestrians, the guy on the bicycle back there, who's probably still coming up beside us, right?
Yeah.
All that stuff is what they're looking for.
Okay.
So 2 things I want you to work on for next time. Just work on opening your fingers and letting the steering wheel move back through your hands.
Mm-hmm.
So work on that. And the other piece I want you to work on is to just stay centered in the lane, because you come up there and this side of the vehicle was on the bicycle lane.
Oh, okay.
Every time you hit that line, especially if you get Andreas here, you're going to lose 10 points.
Needs some work, but that's what I'll give it.
We'll get you there. We'll get you a license.
Okay, then.
We're going to go left at the...
Okay. I keep telling my mom, I'm just gonna get a horse.
I'm going to get a horse.
Real
Nice,
Indian.
slow down. So whenever you get into these tight spots like this, go nice and slow.
Yeah.
Okay?
Do I still want to get it behind this
You
guy?
still do, but you want to go nice and slow.
Okay.
The tighter the space, the slower you should be going, okay? When it gets tight like that and there's cars and you're on near the line, you should start feeling a little bit uncomfortable, a little bit anxious. Just slowing down and going nice and slow, and then that way you can observe, you can make sure you got the vehicle where you need it to be and whatnot. That wasn't a 4-way, right?
Oh, no?
No. That was a 2-way. It's okay. Nobody died.
Oh, what do the rules imply for a 2-way?
Okay, so 2-way, you got to stop at the line and then creep forward, as you've been doing most of the time.
Oh, okay.
So this is a 2-way stop sign. If it's a 4-way stop sign, it'll have a little sign underneath that say it's a 4-way or an all-way or whatnot.
Oh,
Okay. We're going to go left here. Yeah, make sure you look again that way. Okay, we'll work on those next time. There, 1 sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best. Bye now.